Hello everybody, this is Roger and I'm going to get you a look at my global door closer. You ready? Here we go. The sweet speed, I adjusted the sweet speed a little slower because the wind keeps blowing it. Wind was blowing it too hard the other day, so I slowed down the sweet speed so the wind can... But it goes a little bit slower than it did before. Like I said, the wind was catching it. I gotta get my latch fixed, my latch deal fixed. The latch doesn't cooperate anymore. I may have to find a way to adjust the power for this closer. And yes, it is preloaded because I can do this. I can push this door and it closes. It might be out of preload because is the arm loose? Huh. Let's see something here. Nope, bolt's tight. I don't know. Huh. My arm looks like it's loose, but the bolt is tight. Very tight, maybe a little bit too tight. But let's do that again. Yeah, it takes a little bit because the door is a little bit slower because I had to use it to get rid of the wind. It does not latch. It's going to take forever. It's going to take a little bit. See? It stops right there, and again, it closes when I pull it. One more time, and that'll be... That's it.